As from thumbnail, this video is about chain cleaner and lube for motorcycle. Let's unbox the chain cleaner which I have bought online. And this is not promotion of products, and I will not leave the links to buy the products to be not considered as affiliate marketing. So here we go. This is WD-40 which I will use as a chain cleaner for the bike, and for chain lube I have bought Motul chain lube. You can also buy the combo of chain cleaner and lube termed as C1 and C2 of Motul. In place of Motul chain cleaner C1 I have bought WD-40 because it has multiple uses, which also includes chain cleaning of the bike. Here this can has also mentioned multiple uses like it prevents rust, loosen rusted nuts and bolts, lubrication, protection of machinery from rust, and etc. The better thing is this 420 ml can of WD-40 has nozzle with it, which makes the job easy, and you can also remove the nozzle and tuck in like this in the cap of the can. This is second product, which is a chain lube for the bike. This is model 400 ml chain lube. The better of this deal is it comes with nozzle in it, and in 150 ml can I did not notice any nozzle, or it may vary with deal to deal. You can check this online. So this was the chain cleaner and lube for the bike. You can also purchase the chain cleaning brush, which makes the lubing and cleaning easy, but the simple toothbrush will also do the job if you don't want to buy the dedicated brush. I bought both chain cleaner and lube at almost rupees 800, and if you want to buy the same you can buy those at festive sale or clearance sale or at any time when you get the desired discounts. So thanks for watching and stay tuned for next upcoming video.